maybe let him come then. Now take him.
When he puts his head down. Right now.
No.
Tell me when.
Go ahead and shoot him.
I was waiting for you to tell me when.
Do you want me to shoot him? Yep.
I don't know what the fuck happened to my gun.